Hello students, Mr. John here. It is Monday, September 17th. Welcome back to school. I hope you had a good weekend. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about your textbook. Your textbook, for the majority of you, will be chilling right here in this Connect Ed link. If we click on it, it'll load up. It should load up for you. And our textbook for this class is right here. There we go, Student Edition, Discovering Our Past, History of the United States. You click on it, that's how you find it. Fairly easy to navigate. If you know what chapter and lesson we're on, you merely go there. So I know we're starting Colonial America, Lesson 1, pretty quick. You can hit go, and it takes you to that lesson, and it's pretty much exactly the same as it would be if it were in a textbook. There's actually a little more, because there's, you can put videos in a website and things like that. But it's all there. It's all there, and that's how you navigate it. Once you're within a chapter, you don't have to go back. You can go to lesson 2, lesson 3. Be sure to note there are multiple pages for each lesson. Now I want to talk to you briefly about how we're going to use the textbook. So when we have our modules page, so here's chapter 3, our first content chapter. I've pretty much pulled everything from the book that I found to be important and put it into the lesson. It's usually all that info is either on the, mostly in the content page, a little bit on the intro page, but this is basically all the information. This is 3.1. Everything that's right here, where are we at? In 3.1 is pulled into the lesson. But that being said, it is a good idea to read the textbook, read the lesson in the textbook at some point. So some students like to do it the day of the lesson. So a kid will come in and say, all right, we're doing 3.1 today. They'll read it in the textbook, then they'll go through my lesson and then do the quiz, and then they're done. I have other students that like to read the whole chapter as one back on the study days. So all the way back here, when we get to the review, when we talk about how to get ready for the test, I always say, hey, now's a good time to reread the chapter and knock that out. So it's really up to you. I would just advise you to, at some point during the chapter, read the chapter in the textbook, even though most of the info is in here. Because every once in a while there's stuff that's not. And it's really just a really good way to review for the test is to reread that chapter. If we look back at that, you can see that it's not a ton of reading. You could probably reread the whole chapter in about 15-20 minutes. And given it's a study day to begin with, the day before the test, you've got the time in my class. You can pretty much expect to dedicate 30 to 40 minutes to a class per day. So that's well within those parameters. That's really all I wanted to talk about. As I mentioned, if your link isn't working, you don't have access to your textbook, like either the link's not working or you go in there and your textbook isn't in there, let me know so I can correct that, as soon as possible. That's it for today. Good luck with your lesson. We'll be getting into the content tomorrow, I believe, if you're working on track. And let me know if you need anything. Have a good one, all right?